Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup MongoDB VPS using Ops Manager or MongoDump. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your MongoDB VPS using Ops Manager or MongoDump, start by accessing your server through SSH. Log in with your credentials. If you're using Ops Manager, navigate to the Ops Manager web interface. Locate the project where your MongoDB deployment is hosted. Click on the Backups tab to view backup options. Select the database you want to backup. Choose the appropriate backup configuration settings. Once your configurations are set, initiate the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete, then verify its success from the backup log. For the MongoDump method, open your terminal on the VPS. Ensure you have access to the MongoDB tools installed. Use the command mongodump URI mongodu // username, frowny face password, @host, frowny face port, / database to create a backup. Replace the placeholders with your actual database credentials. You can also specify output location using out backup _ directory. After running the command, check the output directory for your backup files. Verify the contents of your backup to ensure all data is captured. For further security, consider copying your backup files to a remote location. Always ensure that your backups are stored securely and regularly updated. That completes your backup process for MongoDB using either Ops Manager or MongoDump. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.